What's up YouTube, Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry, industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaner, but I am trying to be an example of what could be. Alright, so I've got all of our solutions mixed up. I got pre-spray with some oxy booster in there, doing some deodorization, pet problems, and Aaron's vacuuming right now. Water's all hooked up, and I'm going to go in there and hit all the spots that I can locate with my light, with the odor remover, eliminator. This is the product I'm actually using for the odor. It smells great. Stay tuned. Now it's really bright in here, so I'm not going to be able to depend too much on my light in this room. The one downstairs, I can. So I'm going to do more of an overall throughout the carpet with the odor, and then the obvious spots here. Get those real good. So the urine smells pretty strong up here, and not so much downstairs. So, all right, stay tuned. Okay, for the staining, I added this product to my carpet details, my pre-spray. It's 5 ounces a gallon. Should take care of any staining we see, or any wicking problems that, you know, white carpets may have. Helps with that too. So for the odor, depending on this. For stain, it's depending on that. super important, guys. I always tape up corners on stairs. In this case, it's that. And it's probably not going to do any damage, but I'm going to put tape there anyway. And we are able to put a corner there, so that's good. Usually you can't, so I usually tape the corners. So it smells a whole heck of a lot better up here, but I'm going to do a little post spray in certain areas that will hope from anything kind of popping back up. It's kind of humid up in here, so hopefully that doesn't cause an issue. But that's it for this one. We're off to the next one, another winery location. Wow. All right, so we're at the second place. This is Crowed Vineyards. Did work for these people on multiple properties on this, units on this property. And she had been using somebody else in between because I couldn't get to her, so she tried another company and ended up calling me back, so that's a good thing, huh? So, let's check it out. So we're just doing, they took most of the small furniture out. 4 of these. And stairs, landing. Actually 3 of these. And just around the bed and stuff, and there's some staining right here. She said maybe wine. Who figures? This is a winery. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking on getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course below all my videos in a link. How to start a carpet cleaning business, not only the technical side, but how to get people to call you, the business side. All right, and if you like any of the tools I use, also below all the videos that I post. Back to the video. Alright, so I got the Hydro Force out. I took this out of the garage. I've had it in there for probably over a year because I've been using the pack sprayer. But I'm going to keep this on the van now. I'm going to use this for just standard kind of carpet details, pre-spray, and use my backpack for more of a specialty type of solution, you know, stuff for certain issues and stuff like that. I'm going to use them both pretty much, okay? But for the backpack sprayer, you know, if I want to add an oxy to it or deodorizer or something like that, I'm going to use that. So this is that spot that she thinks is wine. So if it's organic, wine, coffee, she said it was wine or coffee. So this should take care of it, but we'll see. So let that sit. I remember this was red here before, and that didn't all come out last time either. It's like a favorite spot here. This must be where there's a stand or something that they put drinks and stuff on. Alright, so we'll let the chemistry do its thing. So yeah, I'm gonna go around to all the rooms and see if there's anything that I suspect a bean line or something. It looks like rust. Get my rust removal out.
Alright guys, so this is pretty standard in the industry for choke mount guys, but they even sell them for portables, so you can get a good PSI and a quick pre-spray with these, just like the backpack. So we already went through here with the multi-wash, get a good scrub on it, CRV type machine, and it was vacuumed before we got here, so we didn't have to worry about that. Easy cleaning. Hard part was stairs. That stain right there disappeared. That lighter red that was there last time, still there, but not too noticeable. Alright, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you in the next one. I'll do that one next over there.